am super excited to do portion animation on Canva. Let's do this. Start by opening a mobile canvas and then add a cloud shape to your canvas. Size it and align it so that you create the basis of your design that we're creating. Next, change the background color to a darker color or whichever color that you like, and then change the cloud and make it a gradient color, and then add a single round shape in the middle to create a round spot within the cloud. Now head over to your elements and search for a circle. We are now creating the bottle that's going to hold our water. So find a circle, add it to your canvas, add a white shape on your circle, and then reduce the transparency so that it seems like it is a bottle, and then add the top section using your shapes on Canva. I changed the color and made it gold so that it makes it pop. So that's the color I'm going to go with for our animation. Our next step to start animating this portion animation, we're going to reduce our slides or our frames to 1 second. Next, head over to your draw tool and then open it up so that you can draw a wave line that you could use for your animation. I've used a white marker for this one. Let's reduce the marker size to a 12 and make transparency 100%. And now the fun begins. So you're going to draw a wave that you're going to use on top of your bottle to start creating the water inside the bottle. Using your marker and make the color blue. Start filling the bottom section of the bottle with water, and you will do this for all of your slides. Next, you're going to duplicate page 1 so that you have page 2. And on your page 2, you're going to go back to your draw tool and then select the move tool. And then move the watermark slightly to the right hand side so that you can start adding water and adding portions of water on these different slides so that water feels like it's going up and down in the bottle. You are going to repeat this process until you have as many frames as you want. It does get very, very long, but it is so rewarding once you're done doing the whole process. So you repeat the whole thing until you have as many frames as you want, and then we can quickly animate the bottle and we're done. Don't worry about the spillages on top of the bottle because we're going to send the water back. You just must be within the line that you've drawn and you're good to go. Your next step would be to highlight the bottle elements and group them together so that you have a single element for the bottle before you send the water backwards. So make sure that all of your slides, all of the bottles are grouped and they're a single element. Your second last step is to make sure that your bottle is animated. So you're going to select the bottle, click on Animate, scroll down to Motion Effect, and then select the Rotate Motion Effect. And then you can reduce the motion effect to a 0 rotation so that it doesn't rotate all the way. And you will do this for all of the slides that you have created. I wonder if we shouldn't do this before we create slides, but hey, this is where I am at the moment. Now you're off to your last step. You're going to select the bottle that you've grouped together. You're going to select layers and then you're going to send to bake. What you want now is to make sure that the water that we've drawn on the bottle is at the back of our bottle. So just go to your layers again and make sure that it is the water is what's at the back and the bottle is in front. Once you've adjusted that, then your animation is perfectly done. You will do this for all of the slides or your frames to make sure that everything is at the back and the slides and the frames are perfect. Then your animation is done. So we're going to show you how it looks like. Then you're good to go. You can download it and use it wherever you want to use it. If you enjoy these tutorials, please like and subscribe. You can go and watch another animation video that we've created. So happy to have you with me today. I will see you on our next video.